I think you're a microcosm of a macrocosmic world.
It's
So,
microcosm
yeah.
for a reason. I think that idea is too grandiose. You can't, how can you expect that, something that you want and something that you seek is definitely
Yeah, but
seeking you back?
it's the law of attraction. The law of attraction.
That's a new law.
e-
I don't think it's a binding law.
no, I mean,
To be honest, I think things are earned through hard work, dedication, commitment. Can't, as a matter of right, say that I want something and it'll manifest and it'll come to me. Have you read Kurt Vonnegut's books in Slaughterhouse-Five? He's talking about a world where there is lack of freedom or lack of decision-making power because everything is predestined to be in a particular and certain way.
no, it's
Right?
not predestined.
That's
But
not the
if
case.
you're aligned with the universe, then the law of attraction says that whatever you want will ultimately be yours. The universe will conspire to
not
give it
a
to you.
law.
What you seek is seeking you. That's what Rumi
that is
says.
absurd. I mean, that is absurd pro max type of a situation.
You're saying that universe doesn't really care
Yeah,
about what you want.
I'm not too much into philosophy, but even Sartre and even Camus also talked about the absurdity of life, right? So this is absurd.
But there are
You
people
can't
who've
say-
experienced the law of attraction working. There are people who've experienced this, that they really, really put their heart and soul into something,
There are
and
people who read fairy tales and believe in them too. Does
Works
not make
out.
it right.
there
It's a
is
lie
happily.
that we tell ourselves to bring us some peace and comfort.
Are you saying there's no happily ever after?
No, there is, but you work towards it.
You of course work towards it, but at the same time, there's something in the you have to be aligned with the cosmos.
It sounds very nice, happily ever after. Whatever I'm seeking is seeking me back. This sound nice, and that's it.
Oh my God, that's a very pessimistic perspective.
No, it's not pessimistic. It's realistic.
Yeah, you're literally killing all the romantic notions.
No. I am all for romance. I believe that
If you're all
there is
for
some-
romanticism, you would believe in happily ever after.
No, I believe in working towards an idea of happily ever
But
after.
so many
I
people-
don't necessarily believe that it is the ultimate goal. It's a journey. It's something that you work for.
So many people work towards happily ever after and never get it. So it's the people who have the faith, who know how to use the law of attraction. It's the people who really know how to,
I think people who live happily ever after don't analyze it as much.
you're saying ignorance is bliss.
No, I'm saying pragmatism is best.